Hello everyone. Okay, so now we're going to install VirtualBox on Windows. I'm going to show you this step on Windows because I know that around 80% of the people taking this course are most likely going to be using Windows. So we're going to install VirtualBox as the previous section showed. One of the requirements that we're going to use in the lab is VirtualBox. In order to download VirtualBox, go to virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. It's a free download and free software. All you'll do for Windows, you just go to VirtualBox 5.0.6 at the time of this recording, and just click on x86/AMD64. What that means is it's 32 or 64-bit software. Now, if you've bought a computer in the last 10 years, it most likely does support 64-bit, but not to worry of which one you have to choose. Just x86 or 64, it'll download both. Okay, now once you download that and run it, you'll be presented with the setup screen. So now to set up, you click next in the beginning, and then the options that are already selected are good enough for our lab. So then click next. Okay. Then you'll want a desktop shortcut, and so just say leave all these as they are. And then you'll have a warning saying that the network interfaces will be installed. So pretty much what happens is that VirtualBox will install some custom drivers for its network, and that may cause your internet to stop working momentarily while it's installing. So it's just warning you of this. So click yes, because we will need those drivers, and then click install. Okay, so the install process is relatively short, and as you can see, pretty straightforward. Okay. So just waiting for it to unload the packages and install the software. Okay, and for time purposes, I'll just pause this video until it's done. Okay, now you'll get to a point where it's asking you if you want to install the device software, and again for the network adapters. So in this case is a USB device that is being installed. The reason why it installs that is that it has some USB integration where I can plug in a USB thumbstick, and the virtual machine will be able to run it. So click install. Okay, and then that will install the drivers. Okay, and now it'll ask you again for the network adapter, and click install as well. Okay, you may see some boxes pop up for a minute or so and then disappear. Okay, that's normal. Okay. And again, for time purposes, I'll pause this video. Okay, now at the end of the install, you'll be presented with the screen saying if you want to start VirtualBox. So yeah, you can go ahead and install it. Launch it. And now this VirtualBox is installed. So the next video will be how to download Ubuntu server, and then we're going to have a little getting to know VirtualBox and how to install our first operating system. Okay, and so see you in the next section. Again, if you have any questions, always email me, SeanMancini2010@gmail.com, and see you soon.